like a Hellcat.
Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to run Grand Theft Auto San Andreas in windowed mode. So the first thing you're going to want to do, I'll probably leave a link in the description or something. You want to download this program, DXWND, DXWND, and when you open it, you'll get something not like that. Let me delete mine so I can show you guys how to do it, how I did it. So you would go over to here, you'd go to, well, this is how you'd run things, but you want to right click in this empty space and click add. Should be greeted by a window that looks like this. Give it a name like GTA San Andreas. Then this is the important part, the path. What you want to do is you want to go to, obviously, wherever your Grand Theft Auto is. You want to double click the executable for it. Don't worry about launch, it's okay. This is where you change your settings and stuff. And you want to make sure run in window is ticked. There's a lot more advanced things, but you don't need too much of it for Grand Theft Auto. Now you should have that. Double click that. You'll be greeted by this splash screen. But your Grand Theft Auto should run in this window now, which makes it a little bit easier to record it. Oh, oof. Hold on, something's going on. It's not running. It should be, though. I don't know what happened. Oh, there it goes. Okay. It's probably just lagging out because I'm recording. But you see, then you can get into your game from the window. I guess wouldn't change any of those advanced display options if you're not full screen. Do it full screen, then change it to window, but I don't think it makes a difference anyway. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That's really all you need to do to run Grand Theft Auto San Andreas windowed mode. Have an awesome day. If this video helped you, like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon.